Make some room here. Push those snowflakes off to the side. All right, so let's start with a letter size paper. So what I'm doing here is taking the short end, matching it up with this long side, creasing it diagonally. What you'll end up with is a square after you cut off the end portion, which you will not need for this tutorial. Starting off with a square that is folded diagonally. Turned around so the long edge is towards you. Then, give it a nice fold to this point, and once you have this edge down there, you can smooth out the rest of this fold. Okay, now I've been just using this cutting mat as a guide for the way I need to do the next fold, which essentially is this point down here, and then I don't know, you probably can't see it because the light, this mark has faded from all the cutting, but you want to put this point down in that corner and have this like that, and then fold this back out so you can take it from that point and match it up with the line that emanates from down here up there. There's always a room for error. I like to make room, for error. But this should give you, as accurate as possible, 3 parts that equal a 60-degree fold each. This one, and this one. It's going to be 3 equal parts. Let's fold that back up again, and I'll move this out of the way. Fold that like that. We're going to do one more fold here. And this is a fold in half. And then you're going to cut off across like that. What you're looking for is this one piece that goes diagonally, not diagonally, but square on the top. Not square, evenly. Even square, I don't know. It's one of those. I'm going to turn this around. So now we're going to make some crazy, jaggedy looking snowflake. Some of the real snowflake photos that I've seen have been quite jaggedy, like if you can imagine how icicles, or you've probably seen these snowflakes before, real snowflakes, not the fake ones. Yeah, they can have like lots of jaggedy edges there. It's more organic looking, I'd say. Less crystal-like. Some of the snowflake shapes look like little crystallized. Crystallized, I guess that's what they do. Honestly, I don't know. I'm curious about it, but I haven't looked into it a lot. Just kind of looked at it and marveled at snowflake photography. I think that'd be cool. Is that gonna be cool? I think so. We're gonna cut out all this middle part here. By now you've probably seen a lot of snowflake videos. There's a lot out there. I've been making quite a few today, just experimenting with a variety of, trying to do all the designs that I did while I was up late last night watching Netflix. Netflixing, cutting chill, or designing chilled snowflakes. I was gonna say something about cutting, yeah. It's just easier if you cut off some of these excess portions, then they're not in the way while you're cutting. Or get kind of the bulk of it out of the way, then it'll make it easier to finesse your way around with your scissors. Well, I'll be surprised if this is any good. I had some trouble with this one. This snowflake was giving me trouble. Clean it up a little bit, see what happens. Ooh. I just like saying ooh. There's another attempt at a more natural looking snowflake. There was one snowflake that spun really well. Okay, that's all I got for you today, or for this episode. If you like this type of snowflake, let me know. Maybe I'll do some more. And like it if you like it, don't if you don't, and I'll see you, or I won't see you. Either way, life will go on. There'll be more snowflakes. That's all I know. Talk to you later.